In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your work Outlook calendar in Google Calendar. This is a really handy way to keep all your schedules in one place and ensure you don't miss any important appointments no matter where they originate. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can easily sync everything up without any hiccups. First, start by going to Outlook on your computer. You can open it by navigating to the Outlook website and logging in with your work credentials if prompted. Once logged in, head over to the calendar section. This is where you'll manage your calendar settings, so spend a moment making yourself familiar with the interface if it's new to you. At the top of the page, you're going to notice a gear icon. That's your settings icon. Click on it. Now go ahead and select View All Outlook Settings from the menu that appears. With your settings panel open, look on the left for an option labeled Calendar. Clicking this will reveal a list of different settings, but what you want to focus on is shared calendars. Please click on that option. Within the shared calendars section, find Publish a Calendar. This is where you'll select which calendar you want to make available for Google Calendar to access. Click on the drop-down menu and pick the calendar you'd like to share. Next, you'll have to set permissions. Choose the option to Can View All Details, as this will ensure you have full access to your Outlook schedule within Google Calendar. After setting the permissions, find and click on the Publish button. This will generate two types of links, an ICS link and an HTML link. The one you're interested in is the ICS link, so go ahead and copy it by highlighting the text and using your keyboard shortcuts or right-clicking and selecting Copy. Now, it's time to turn our attention to Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar in your browser and look for the Other Calendar section, which is located on the left side of the screen. You'll see a plus sign next to Other Calendars. Click on it, then choose From URL in the resulting drop-down menu. In the URL field that appears, paste in the ICS link you copied from Outlook. After pasting the link, click the Add Calendar button. This action will import your Outlook calendar into Google Calendar. Give it a moment to sync. Once that's done, you might notice an option on the left called Drawer. It's a handy tool for viewing all available calendars. When you click on it, you should now see your Outlook events populated within Google Calendar. Congratulations! With that, your tasks and appointments should seamlessly appear alongside your Google Calendar events. And there you have it. You now have a unified view of both your Google and Outlook calendars, making it easier than ever to manage your time effectively.